Hello, it's me. And I know you guys haven't heard from me for a few weeks, but I'm back. I'm back. And today I'm going to show you this super cute hairstyle. And also you might be wondering why I'm already dark haired. Yeah. I know I used to start to bleach my hair blonde, but then I decided, oh no Sarah, that's not what you're looking for. You're actually looking for dark colors. And so I found this kind of cute green, but actually I dyed it dark black, dark blue, like dark black blue. Yeah, and it came out like this. But this is another story, and I'm going to make another video about it for sure, because today we are going to talk about this hairstyle. So, and yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe and support me to do more hairstyle videos or maybe other topics. I'm actually thinking about way more. Thank you, and let's start with my pretty hairstyle.
Oh my god!
But anyways, so yes, I was so long looking for this kind of two-wave look. I don't know how to call it actually. I don't know if it has a special name. I only remember that I saw this hairstyle first time on Hyuna. She's a K-pop star and super beautiful, and she inspired me to do this hairstyle. And I was looking for a tutorial how to make it and I couldn't find any. So I tried to create it by myself with the only items I have. It's this one. So let's start. I like to start with separating my hair. And as you guys can see, here's my rest grow out of my undercut. I'm actually thinking about cutting it that way only, and that's it. Because I think I can become very creative in this part because I can shape it by myself here and not in the back. Yeah, let's see, maybe I'm going to do something very spontaneous. So if you want this kind of two-wave look, just use your curling iron, your big curling iron like this. Put it over and heat it in that way. Be careful with your ear. That's always the case. It's always the case with curling irons, I know. Yeah, and do this motion, and then you take it out and turn it to the other side, as you see. And then I'm going to hold it like this, so this part of my hair also gets heated. Just a few seconds, and let's go. And here we have it. And as you see, when I start doing it like this, it became this kind of big wave or two-wave step. I don't know how to call it. Yeah, it becomes like this. So let's go on with the whole head and show you the result. But actually it's not working that way how I was planning. Strange. I remember when I get higher I did 3 waves. Okay, let's go on. I have to recreate. I'm a little lazy. Here we have. Okay, I have to do the shit again over here. Ooh, this is so beautiful. Look at this curl right now. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Put it a little bit back. So, when you're going up, like here while it's separating, the longer your hair gets, the more waves you have to create to get that loose curly look, you know? Very serious topic. You don't need to be that accurate, because I'm also not that accuratest person. But as you see, if you just step into another perspective, things will change and also look good. So cute already. Looking for ways to get new volume to my hair, because I think it's even out my face shape, and it's also, I think, a very, very important part of studying yourself, to find the right styles for yourself, especially because not everything fits you, because we are all individuals, as you know, which I celebrate. Different, and I love it. I'm so easily bored by things that are always the same. Look at this, it looks like it. Wow. I mean, there are irons you can use that are shaped like this, but if you don't have that kind of iron that is shaped with like this kind of 3 irons behind another, you can use only your big curling iron. Komm schon, mein Akku geht leer. So I like to put in a little bit, first I'm going to put the hair clips, because I want to hide my bangs. I mean, I'm one of those girls that always regrets to cut herself some bangs. But if you... So I'm always looking for kind of cute hairstyles to avoid to style my bangs, because I'm very easily bored by the bangs look.